This smartphone is one of the coolest looking smartphone, but still I have a question. Should you buy this smartphone? First, let's talk about its design. It has a glossy back finish which looks awesome. This black color with gold accent is just so dope. And by the way, Vivo calls it the pearl black color. This phone has a 6.3 inches 19:9 display with a notch, which personally I don't like it. The phone is sleek and packs a 3260 mAh battery, which is a decent size battery, and it also has a headphone jack. Now Vivo focuses a lot on the cameras, and this is no exception. This phone comes with a 16+5 megapixel dual camera setup with portrait mode, and 4K video recording is also there. And here are some examples from both the front and the back cameras. This phone shoots video in slow motion, but sadly only in 480p. At least they should have given 720p, which almost all smartphones have right now. Talking about the performance, it has a Snapdragon 626 chipset, which personally I don't think is good for the price that we are paying. This chipset is not that power efficient, but yeah, games go smoothly and there is no lag. But being honest, this phone doesn't feel like rupees 20,000. In today's market, there is a lot of competition. Xiaomi is bringing so many smartphones in such a cheap price with a better performance than these phones. So would you like to buy this smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell icon to receive the notification from TechEver. Thank you for watching and stay TechEver forever.